Yoga for terrible balance. Can you barely stand on one foot without falling over? Did you know that as we age that we begin to sway more to compensate for our loss of balance? And did you know that yoga can help improve your balance? Welcome to this episode of Inspired Living with Denise on Yoga for Terrible Balance. Here I will show you 3 poses to start with to do daily. Yes, I said daily along with my warm-up video, and as always ending off in Shavasana. Stay until the end of the video so I can also share with you guys 2 bonus tips that you'll need to truly see an improvement in your balance. Okay, pose number 1 is tree pose. You want to root down into your standing leg. So start by spreading the toes out as wide as you can. Okay, cover up as much mat as you can with your toes as you plant the toes back down. Firm up that standing leg, not too firm, just comfortably engaged. Okay, hands on your hips. You're gonna breathe your opposite knee forward, open it up to the side. Okay, and then if you're really wobbly, you're gonna place that toe down on the mat. Make sure both of your hips, imagine there's 2 head beams on your hips, equally facing forward. The other thing you want to do is make sure your hips are leveled. There's a tendency for this bent knee to be higher than the left sometimes when people are trying to bring their foot too high, okay? So you want to make sure your hips are leveled. As you move up, as your balance improves, you can bring it up onto the inner calf, you can bring it up to the inner thigh. A little tip here for your balance, if you are resting it on the calf or the inner thigh, is to press the sole of your foot, the one that's on the bent knee, into the standing leg, and your standing leg pushes back into the sole of the foot, okay? Choose one spot to focus your gaze on as well. Calm stare, which will help with your balance. 5 breaths. Wobbling is okay. This is what's helping to strengthen the muscles that help you to balance, and then release, okay? Other side, 5 deep breaths, and then second pose. Second pose is toppling tree. I will show you a side view. Again, you're gonna engage your standing leg. As you shift the weight to that front leg, firm up that standing leg. You're gonna point back through that leg. Some of you might be here, especially if your balance is really terrible. And this is where you're gonna stop. If you're wobbling all over the place, just stay at a spot where you can balance and breathe with ease. As you improve your balance, like a seesaw, we're gonna go to a T. 5 breaths, you can flex that foot, point, whatever you'd like, and come out of it. Okay, other side. Pose number 3. I want you to use a block. You can use a block, you can use a stack of books, a sturdy water bottle, whatever you can get your hands on, okay? You're gonna place your front foot about 1.5 feet behind that block. So the block should be placed to your pinky side, okay? Then from here, bend into that standing leg, reach for the block. Just putting about 50% of the weight into that hand, not even, maybe 20. Kick the back leg up to hip level. We kind of see this sometimes. Engage. Then you're going to begin to open your left side on top of your right, as if you're pushing yourself flat against the wall behind you. If you feel okay here, extend your left arm up. I know this may be challenging for some, okay? I want you to start here. Just hold onto that block, lifting and kicking that left leg back or the back leg back. Hold and breathe. Once you feel confident, keep your gaze on that one spot. Open your left side or open the top side on top of the bottom side. And then you can proceed. Okay, that's it. So the bonus that I want you to do, the bonus sequence that I want you to do is this. You're gonna do your warm-up, the 7-minute yoga warm-up that I have that I'll attach to the playlist. You're gonna do these 3 balancing poses, and then you're gonna connect the 3. Movement will help with your balance, okay? So, you're gonna start with tree. 5 breaths here. Move right into toppling tree. 5 breaths here. Bend your standing leg, reach for that block. 5 breaths here, or even just holding here. Come down, do the other side, and you're done. Finish off with Shavasana. Feel free to do a few more poses. Shavasana, and you're done. Here are my 2 bonus tips in order to see true results. 1, you must think about treating the whole body holistically. And that's why I want you to do the warm-up as well. Because just doing these poses without the warm-up is similar to the research in static stretching, which won't produce you results. It's just like treating the symptoms and not treating and looking at the whole picture. 2, you must practice these daily in order to see true results. So it's time to start putting those thoughts of wanting to improve your balance into true action. And it's through repetition and the daily commitment that you will see results. Consistency is key to improving anything in your life. Remember, it's 95% mindset and 5% strategy. Thanks for tuning in, and share this with anyone that would benefit. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.